please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out so much. I need you guys to get excited. It's about that time. We are gonna do 4-wheel burnouts. We're gonna go testing tonight. I'm hoping to do a full 1 through 4 pull in this video. It's about 28 degrees outside, so please bear with me while I'm testing. It's gonna take a lot to get this car not to spin. Jamie's gonna be here, my brother's coming. We are gonna do like a few parking lot first gear pulls to get the boost settings on point, and then we will do a full all out 1 through 4 just to make sure the drivetrain is good. Super tired right now. It's literally everything's been upside down here since this whole thing happened. Only have a few days left. Tonight's the last night I can test because it's supposed to rain here for the next 3 days. And literally the car is leaving in a few days, so I have no choice but to test tonight even though it's cold. But the car is pretty much set. We put the adjusted springs in here for the correct weight. So all that's set, car's corner bounce aligned. I got the GoPro set up here for you guys. I'm gonna try my best. It's dark outside. Please, please, please bear with me. I'm extremely tired too today, but I'm gonna get this done. I have no choice to get it done, but the car is complete. Only thing I'm gonna do here on Monday is change the transfer case. I just wanna give a huge shout out to the whole crew, man. Like, I'm super grateful to have them. Without them, I couldn't have got it done. J-Rock, my brother, everybody here, Jamie, like literally I couldn't have done it without any of them. Huge shout out to KJ Built. Man always has my back. Built my transfer case with all the high-point gears for the B-Series, the diff gears, like everything. This is fully built, a fully built transfer case with the billet Jack Cartel housing. I do have one in there right now which is halfway built, so I'm gonna test on that, and then Monday I am gonna switch it out for that one and then keep this one for a spare. So wish me luck. Let's get this going. I'm excited. Hopefully everything goes as planned. My first time driving the car, so I can't wait to get it down packed. But yeah, let's get to the streets. Apologize if the camera settings are a little funky. I got it in auto because it's nighttime, so I'm trying my best to get the best footage I can. Literally just got to the spot here, got the car right here just cooling down, just drove it all the way here. Street car, like I told you guys. My brother's back there in the track hawk. So last time I've been here was with Cacho. It's been a long time since Cacho's inside right now. Oh man, I miss it so much. So usually we come here, we test, then we hit the strip, make sure everything's good, and I come here every time before we race. Literally, I have a routine that we usually do, so this is number 1 on our list today. Car's right here. I'm gonna test the first gear out pretty much right here. Always test it out on a bare road. That way, it can hook up pretty much on anything sticky. I just need to mess with a few RPMs if we get to like a stickier track or whatever. But if it hooks up here on this road, it's gonna hook up pretty much anywhere. So I will show you guys the process, how this goes down. So we'll get a couple first, maybe second gear pulls here, and then we'll hit the streets, get the boost settings down packed, and that's pretty much it. Hopefully everything goes smooth. Yeah, when was the last time we were here?
I think with Cacho's car.
I just said that on camera too.
I think it was Cacho's car. Probably like what, over a year ago?
Probably over a year ago. Do you miss street racing?
Yeah.
It brings back so much memories. It's super cold out, like I told you guys. Low 20 degrees now. It's probably 24 degrees outside right now. It probably feels like 20. But this is our routine. You know, we come out here, we test, make sure everything's 100%. Don't want to go out there looking stupid, so.
For us, this shit's like a job, you know. It looks fun on camera, but we take this shit serious. We put a lot of time into this, a lot of time into building the cars, a lot of time into buying the right parts.
And we spend just the same time testing, literally the same. You don't want to go out there looking stupid, man. If you guys are building a car for whatever reason it is, whether you're going to the track, street, whatever the case is, just go out and test, you know, make time with your tuner.
Or just get a laptop and download the program and literally just call your team like, hey, I got a big event I'm gonna go to, a big street race I'm gonna go to. Can you help me out? You know, it's easy now. It's fucking 2023. You literally just hotspot your laptop, your tuner could plug right in, and that's it. And you go out there and test.
Are you excited?
Hell yeah, I'm fucking excited. It's been what? Like I said, almost what, 2 years?
Yeah,
since
pretty
this car's
much
been down?
2 years.
So I'm fucking happy.
Man, I'm excited. It feels so good to get the car back out. Between, like, I'm not gonna hide anything from you guys. With all the issues that I had, this car took a complete left turn with the way it is. You guys are gonna see why it went like this. It went from like 0 to 100 for one reason. We are leaving. The car's leaving in a few days. We will talk more about that in the next few videos. Put it like this, right? We represent the Honda community here on the East Coast, well, in our state for sure. So wherever I'm going, I am gonna bring whatever the baddest shit I can bring. That way I can put on for the Honda community. Basically, I'm not gonna go out there looking like a fool. This name Honda and Acura, this means a lot to me more than anything. This is our platform and this is what we wanna push the hardest. So when you guys see this, just know that we brought it all to the table with what under specific rules. So this is literally the max setup we could do to bring it.
I wish we could have took the K-Series car, but it's not ready.
They don't, YouTube has not even seen.
You guys haven't seen the K-Series car, so we have a full, like almost like an outlaw K-Series all-wheel drive car that we're building, like a badass car. The car's all together. The only thing that's missing is wiring. This opportunity that came to us literally was like last minute, and the only car that we kind of had running at the time was this one. We literally went all out with this car to get it ready. I honestly think it's got a good chance in competing.
I want you to tell them what's like the main thing holding us back.
Weight. That's the only thing, the weight.
And the tires.
Weight and tires, because the rules, we can't, it's a certain
the rules are
tire
stated DOT tires.
Yeah, and the weight advantage. This car is a lot heavier than we wanted it to be, but I'm pretty sure that the weight is gonna help on these tires. I'm hoping so. We're gonna see tonight what's gonna happen, but I'm pretty sure the car's gonna do good. I'm pretty fucking excited to see what's gonna do.
Pretty much 20 degrees outside, so if we get it to hook up here, we'll be good to go. Tires look okay. A little sticky, didn't break the backs in. The backs need to be scrubbed down, but I think we will get them scrubbed down tonight. But we're pretty much waiting for Jamie to get here, and then we'll get this party started. Look who decides to finally show up, huh? You. Yo, Jamie, when was the last time we was out here?
When Cacho was outside,
When Cacho was outside. Real time 4-wheel drive?
Details, baby.
It's all about the what?
what you gotta say for YouTube?
My boy Kacho on the phone. Yo, Koch.
Yo, what up, guys?
Yeah, we doing all-wheel drive setup right here in the streets just for you, baby.
Nice, bro. It sounds beautiful, bro. It's about time, bro.
Yo, do you think you could like hand the keys down to me and I'll take over the streets?
Hell yeah. I got it all day.
Yo, if your car was out here, I'd bust that ass though.
No, you won't. Keep treating me pretty good.
Nah, K is the way, bro.
But you're the only one probably that got a B-Series right now, but everybody else B-Series is trash. Yours is nice.
Yo, what you gotta say to the streets when you come outside?
I'm fucking everybody else.
That's that energy I'm talking about.
He has lost the race.
Yo, at no point was he in front of you.
A few small issues before this. The cam sensor took a shit. That's why it was like cutting. Thank God I had another T1 cam trigger at my shop. So now to get the boost settings down right, honestly the car feels so good. It feels great. I was gonna set the boost settings a little bit lower. It spun a lot. Like I said, it's 20 degrees out right now. I wish it was warmer to put maybe track bite or something down, but I like to test on full bare road. Remember, this is non-prepped, whatever, just straight asphalt, but car feels good for the most part. I hope you already did.
Yo,
Yeah.
I heard your foot come up in second.
Nah, you ain't hear my foot. All right, that was pretty much it here for the 1-2 hits. So I am gonna go now on the highway and basically test first, second, third. If everything feels all right, I'll hit fourth. I need to put steel wool in my catch can. It's getting getting filled up a little bit too quick. I don't know, I have to like re-look at that after. My other car does the same thing on ethanol, but I think everything will be all right. Car feels good, feels smooth. So I'm gonna go on the highway now and we'll do a 1 through 3 or 1 through 4. So I'll see you guys there. 1 o'clock in the morning. If I was to say, that's what testing is for. I'm gonna call that a success, even though still gotta work out a few bugs. My first time ever driving a all-wheel drive car. Big learning curve. Need to put a lockout in the shift box. It needs a new catch can and just a few minor adjustments to make everything perfect. But big learning curve. I'm so happy with the car. And again, I apologize about the GoPro. I have bad luck with them. It lasted most of the night, the GoPro, but it died like on the best parts, which is the top of, I guess, 3rd or 4th gear. But overall, I think it's solid. What do you think? First time ever out.
First time. That's what testing is all about, right? Everything is not always perfect, but I say this was a perfect first outing. I mean, that's what, you know, you go out, you test, you see what the flaws are in the car. Now you go back, make adjustments, changes, whatever it is you need to do, and get the car perfect. So we're gonna come in Monday morning, fix a few things, and I think we're ready to go.
The car's back here in one piece.
That's like, the best part, is when you go out there, you beat the shit out of your car, and it comes back home and it's in one piece. Motor's good, transmission's good, and ready to make more hits.
And like you said, I drove it everywhere, no trailer.
Yeah, no trailer. So that's a street car right there.
Literally drove it everywhere. You guys see, I drove this thing all night, beat the piss out of this car, back to back to back.
That's how you
test launch after test launch.
That's how you know you built a good car. You're able to drive it. Literally, we were up there on the road, backed up a couple times after a couple burnouts, did a hit. Came off the highway, made a few more adjustments, came back, made another hit.
And I drove it I drove it circles, made a bunch of test launches. It's a big learning curve for me. It's not the same as my front wheel drive car. It's not the same as the K-Series. Shift box is a lot different. I have to get used to it. That's the whole point of testing. To get the car down perfect. Like, nothing is perfect, but you want to just get all the flaws out of the car. Literally, that's what we did tonight.
Like you guys seen, like no matter what you think, right? You think you have new parts in the car, new sensors and stuff. Just because it's new doesn't mean like it's gonna be perfect. There's gonna be things that don't work sometimes.
But overall, successful night. Few minor changes to go down.
Upset about the most?
What are you upset?
Every car.
Oh, the oil?
There's oil all over. Yeah. And who's gonna be cleaning it on Monday?
Yo, this happened to that car too, and then we fixed it. We know how to fix this problem. I just didn't, like I told you guys, last day before it rains. It's gonna rain here for the next 3 days, so I couldn't test any other day. So we know how to fix it. But overall, the car is running. I'm excited, I'm happy.
I can't wait to bust that ass.
I'm gonna end this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like the video, share the video, please, and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out so much. See you guys at the next event.